Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Linear, a super fast modern project management tool that's perfect for teams, startups, and developers. We'll cover everything from creating your first project to tracking issues, setting up roadmaps, and collaborating with your team. So, what is Linear? Linear is a modern issue tracking and a project management tool built for speed and simplicity. It's kind of like a mix of Jira or Notion, but way faster and easier to use. It's perfect for managing software development, sprint planning, sprint planning, bug tracking, or just organizing your team's tasks. Let's get started. First of all, go to linear app and sign up with your Google account or email. Then continue and write workspace name. Then create workspace. Once you are in, you will be asked to create a workspace. Give it a name like your company or project name. They will create or join a team. Teams in Linear are like departments. Think engineering, design, or marketing. Then follow the instructions. Now let's create your first project. Click on the project tab, then create project. Give it a name like website redesign or app launch. Inside your project, you will add issues. These are like tasks or tickets. Click create issue or create project. And give it a title, description, set a priority, and assign it to a team member. Next up, cycles. These are like sprints, short time frames where your teams completes a batch of work. Click the cycles tab and it starts. And start a new one. You can set it auto renew weekly in P weekly. Drag your issues into the cycle to keep track of your what's being worked on this sprint. Use labels to organize issues by type like bug, enhancement, or blocked. And use filters to focus on what matters. Linear gives you clean first views of everything. Use my issues to see what's assigned to you. The team view shows overall progress, and the roadmap tab helps plan long-term projects. And here's a power tip. Press Command plus K or Control K to open the command bar and do anything instantly. Linear is built in for keyboard speed. Linear works great with other tools. Go to settings, then integrations to connect GitHub, and click on GitHub and click enable. Pull requests and commits can automatically sync with issues. Super useful for developer teams. And that's a quick walkthrough of how to use linear in 2025. If you are tired to if you are tired of bloated tools and want something clean and fast, linear is definitely worth trying. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more productivity tools, and let me know in the comments what your favorite feature is, or if you have questions. Thanks for watching.